So you may have the need to send emails from more than one email address. So for example, if you have two companies or two brands or um, basically more than one way in which you want to be represented via email, you can set up multiple email addresses. So let's jump into demo account here and settings. And then when you scroll down, you'll see on the left hand side there's an option that says email. And then at the top section here, you'll see this is where your from email resides. Okay, so by default, I've got one here that's confirmed, and if I want to add another one, I can click this little plus button here to add a second email in. So let's say I wanted to add myself in as using another email address, so John at provenflows.com, and then I can say I can click the add email button. And what you'll see is it sits here as pending because I need to demonstrate to Kit that I have access to that email box by clicking a link that they've sent me. So if I now go and look at my emails, I should see an email in my inbox for from that email box. So let me just open it up, and this is the email that's just arrived. So it's saying here, verify your email address with Kit. Click the button below to verify your sending email address. So when I click this button, this orange pending tag will change to a green confirm tag. So I'm going to click it now. It will refresh, and now you can see I've got two confirmed addresses. Now what that means I can do is if I'm sending an email, if I do a new broadcast email, when I'm just going to create test email in here, and then when I go through to when I click on continue to send this email and I click send email, you can see in this from address the default email address will be shown, but I've also got the option to send it now from a second email address if I want to. Okay, so that's how you can add an additional from email address to your Kit account.